is I'm going to put a piece of graph paper up here for you. I know that my roots are here's -1, here's -2, here's +2, and here's +4.
It will be important for us to know the equation of our polynomial in order for us to be able to fully understand the graph and its key features.
My boss wants me to explain to him, using this as my profit function, where we will break even. We will break even at -2, -1, 2,
and 4.
I would also like to point out to you that this is an even-powered polynomial, which means that the end behavior is both going to go up, up, or down, down. They both go in the same direction. Because my leading coefficient was positive, the leading coefficient was 1, that is positive, that means I'm dealing with this scenario, leading coefficient. This scenario would be a negative leading coefficient. So I know that this is going to be a W-shaped curve. So we have a y-intercept at 0, 16. We found that by replacing all of the x's with a 0, and my coefficient, my constant here at the end, ends up becoming my y-intercept. So since I know that this is going to be a W-shaped kind of a polynomial here, I do know that it goes through 0, 16, so 5, 10. So just for purposes of us being able to see everything on the graph, let's pretend as though this point right here was not 0, 10, but rather 0, 16. So I know that my leading coefficient is positive, so I know that it is going to be an up, up. So that means that it's going to go down, come back up. It's going to come back up through 16. It's going to cross over at +2, dip down, and then come back up at 4. So this is a general sketch, just a rough sketch of what my profit function looks like. And as you will see, there are 2 positive real roots. And over here you can see that there are 2 negative real roots. So if you watched the video where I did Descartes' rule of signs, you can see that it was the scenario that had 2 positive real roots and 2 negative real roots.
I will be doing an example of a third-degree polynomial in another video.